Hi, welcome to Sheffield Seed Company. This is our website. You can order seed online. Today we're going to do a search for trees and plants with fall color. We go to the top header and I just moused over search or clicked it and the advanced search button came down. So that's what we're going to do. Go to advanced search. You can also search for USDA cold hardiness zones, something that's ready to grow, but today we're going to do types of usage. We're looking for fall color. These are in alphabetical order. So here we have fall color. I'm going to click it and press search in the bottom right hand corner. And over 11 pages come up with seeds of different kinds, plants, trees that you can plant that would have fall color. You can now narrow it down a little bit more if you want to search by genus and species, common name, arrival date, new arrivals. I'm going to choose common name. And each page you go into will have full information that you will need. How much is in stock, where it's collected, how many seeds per pound. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Happy planting.